from Sweden.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, my question is there authentic hadith that said that from believer it's a prison in this world and it's a Jannah for the non-Muslims? Is this authentic?
No, this is not authentic. The authentic hadith is that the Jannah is surrounded by hateful things. So in order to enter it, you have to do the hateful things in this dunya. And the hellfire is surrounded by things that people desire. So if you do what you desire, which goes against Quran and Sunnah, it will throw you in hellfire. As for the hadith, الدنيا سجن المؤمن وجنة الكافر, personally I know that this was reported in some hadith or some narrations, to be accurate, where a Jew who sells fried fish intercepted the convoy of Ibn Hajar al-Asqalani, the great judge and the great scholar and the Amir al-Mu'mineen of Hadith. And he was going to his court room, wearing his fancy judge's clothes. So the Jew, with oil smelling from his clothes and working day in, day out in front of the furnace and the oil and, frying fish, said to him, "Your Honor, I have a problem. You say that your Prophet says, Ad-Dunya, this life is the heaven of the disbeliever, and it's the hell of a true believer. The way I see it, you're the one living the heavens. Look at your fancy clothes and your convoy and your income. And I'm living hell in my job, frying fish with the oil and the smell all day long." So Ibn Hajar al-Asqalani said, if the story is true, the hadith is authentic, because to me, all what you see of fancy lifestyle and this wealth is hell compared to what awaits me in paradise if I were destined to enter paradise and Allah forgives my sins. This is hell, this is nothing, this is peanuts. And to you, the torment and the calamity you think you are suffering when working frying fish, compared to what awaits you in hellfire and the real punishment and torment there if you were destined to enter it and Allah does not forgive your sins, what you're living in this life is considered to be paradise. The Jewish man, hearing this and using his logic, accepted Islam on the spot. I think that the hadith is not authentic, but I'm too old. I cannot tell. I have to go and check it in my references. So I'd rather say I don't know whether it's authentic or not. My inclination is that it is not. But if it is, the meaning is true, as Al-Hafidh ibn Hajar has just explained to us.